Linking your bank account to Threads can enhance your experience by allowing for seamless transactions. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Launch the Threads app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once in the app, find the Settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon or found in your Profile section. Tap on it to enter the settings. Step 3. Select Payment Options. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Payment or Payment Options. Click on this to proceed to the Bank Account Linking section. Step 4. Add your bank account. Follow the prompts to add your bank account information. You will need to enter your account number, routing number, and possibly other verification details. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. Now you are ready to enjoy the benefits of having your bank account linked to Threads.